G'day guys, so today I'm just gonna make a small video because I'm just gonna open this exhaust box up and then I'm gonna remove the inner baffling so that we can hear this bike a little bit. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna release these two springs here and release there, and then the box will just slip off. Then the next step is going to be to remove all of these rivets. I've already removed that one, so now it's time to remove the rest. Now I'm just gonna hit in these other rivets so that it can release. Then I have nice tools, so just release this. Just gonna pop in all the rivets so that I can release this part. Alright. This is taking much more effort than I thought, but you can see it's already moved a little bit. That's the rivets, and now I'm just gonna remove all of this backing. And I believe this is only what actually was left. So with all of that out, I'm just gonna put back this piece. And then just put this ring back on and rub it again and put the exhaust back. So it's just these two, but I'm not going to bore you guys. So I'm just going to put this exhaust back and then start up for you guys. I don't know if you guys can hear the difference, but you guys must actually go now with my to other vlog or one of my previous videos, and you guys can maybe compare the different in sound. Definitely got a way different sound. And actually the bike feels much more torquey. I don't know if I'm just imagining it. But in any case, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this small little mod to make your bike a bit louder. Enjoy. Have a nice day.